Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com and welcome to day 10 of ASD App Store Domination. And today we are going to create the most important asset of your app icon. So let's get to work. Okay, in the previous video yesterday we talked about how to create your screenshots. Now it's time to create your app icon. We have created iPad and iPhone screenshots, and I was a little bit talking about how to create app previews, those videos. But if you are interested in in more in-depth version of this screenshot review, then you can find it inside the tribe. So go ahead, go to rebeloper.com/thetribe and take a look at what the tribe can offer you. And of course, hit that contact button if you are an indie developer and send us a message and we will give you a discount. Okay, so let's get back to today's topic, and that is our app icon. Okay, now where is this app icon? Well, first of all, it's inside your project, and second of all, it needs to be added inside your iTunes Connect dashboard, and that is here. App Store icon, general app information, that is where you need to add it. Well, if you do upload a build here, then and if you have it, well, you need it. If you have that iTunes Connect largest icon, then it will be added automatically here. So basically you need to add your app icon, your app icons, and you will see what I'm talking about in just a little bit, to your project. Well, first of all, you need to create your app icon at the largest scale. And that is, let's open up Photoshop here and let's create a new file. And that is 1024 by 1024 pixels. And the resolution is set at 72. Let's create it. And as you can see, we have a perfect square here. And one important thing, you are not allowed to use alpha values, well, in any images you upload to iTunes Connect. Well, just in your project, well, the game project. So no alpha values inside your icon nor your screenshots. So let us just create a very exciting icon here. I will just drag and drop my logo onto this icon, and here we go. I am done with my icon. Good stuff. Hopefully you will put in a much more effort into creating a much attractive icon. So I would just simply go ahead and save this out as the main icon, and I would just put it into my ASD 30 days challenge folder. I would just name it icon, or you can name it whatever, and I would just save it as PNG. And well, I do already have an icon, so now let us go into our Xcode project. And if you just wandered around your project, you most probably seen this assets catalog, and here we have an app icon folder. Well, it is an assets folder, and here are a bunch of required sizes. So one way to do this is to take a look at the points that are needed. And for this iPhone notification, iOS 7 till iOS 11, we need a 20 points by 20 points sized image. That is 40 pixels by 40 pixels for the 2x version, and 60 pixels by 60 pixels for the 3x version. So that goes 1x is 20 by 20, 2x is 40 by 40, and 3x is 60 by 60. And you can take a look at all the other required dimensions. Now, one way to do this is to download a simple app from the Mac App Store, and there are a lot of good free ones. I will not go into them because I have one preferred, well, not affiliate, not associated at all, but I really like it, and that is iconkit. So with iconkit, you only just need to drag and drop in your your largest sized image. So let me just find this here. Here it is, icon for ASD Magic. You don't even have to worry about naming it properly because it will. So here we have it. You just select iPhone 7, iOS 7 and later, iPad 7 and later, and I will just uncheck this iOS marketing because we don't need it now, and let's preview it. You can of course save it without a preview, but I will not do that now. I will just preview it, and as you can see here we have all of the required. The iPhone notification, 20 pixels that I was talking about, and the free X version for the same iPhone notification requirement. So that is it, and now I will just simply click on export, and now you need to generate app icon set and the JSON file. This is what you need in your xcode project. I will just uncheck these round icons. Well, you could use this for marketing purposes. We will not use this at this time. So I will just select where I want to export it, and I will just export it here, and of course I checked to open it inside a folder. So here we have it. Where is it? App icon set. So this is what you need to change inside here. So I just simply delete this and then go ahead and drag and drop it, and there you go. You have everything set up. Well, one last thing is that you need to add your biggest App Store iOS icon, and that is fairly simple. You just drag and drop your created image there. There you have it. You are all set up with app icons, and let me just build and run and see how that looks on the simulator on your respective device. Okay, let's wait for it. Here we go. Let's stop it, and now let's show the simulator, and here we have it. ASD Magic. How beautiful. Well, it is our Rebeloper logo. You are most probably having a much nicer app icon. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how you can create your app icons inside your project. And once again, let me just remind you, if you upload your build, and we are talking about uploading builds and everything iTunes Connect inside the tribe here, so go ahead and click that message button, contact us for that discount if you are, of course, an indie developer. So going back to my trail of thought, we are going to have this App Store icon automatically added once you upload your build. Okay, so there you have it. Now you know how you can create your beautiful app icon and app icons and add it to your Xcode project, so it can be, of course, then uploaded to the App Store and have all your app icons ready for submission. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual, go ahead and create your beautiful app icons, and I will see you in the next one. Good stuff! Now, if you want to see more of this video and want to boost your app business, go ahead and take a look at my 30 days challenge, App Store Domination. Go ahead and click the link down below, and I will see you inside ASD, App Store Domination. Let's get to work.